In today's video, I want to share with you guys how to do a dip to make your pectus excavatum look better. So dips are an amazing exercise, and most people know them as a tricep dip, but there is a way to make them target your chest more, and specifically your lower chest, which is a key area to develop if you have pectus to make the condition less noticeable. And dips are an amazing exercise for targeting that area, and just an amazing exercise you should be doing if you have pectus excavatum. So I want to teach you guys how to do them properly to engage your chest and why you should be doing them in today's video. What you can see on the screen here is me doing a dip. Now there are a few very important things that you'll see from this. Firstly, look at my body lean. So I'm leaning forwards, and by leaning forwards on a dip, you make them hit your chest more. So if you're more upright, then it's going to be your traditional tricep dip. But if you lean forward, your chest will get engaged more. So you really want to lean into that. You want to try and get deep below parallel. So you're not just doing that top range. That's going to be more triceps. It's in that deeper stretch where you're going to start to get your chest engaged more as well. And you also want a nice, slow and controlled tempo. Okay, so they're the three form cues for a good, properly done dip to engage your chest optimally. And when you do this consistently over time and you build strength on this exercise, plus obviously you eat a good nutritious muscle building diet, you will start to grow your chest and you will start to grow your lower chest more, so it will separate from the ribs. And when you get the lower chest defined and sculpted and separating from the ribs, it really helps mask the rib flare and make the pectus less noticeable all in one. So dips are something I've done thousands of times over the last decade of training to make my pectus hardly noticeable, and they've been a great exercise for me to get my result and for thousands of my clients. So make sure you're incorporating dips into your regime, and don't be afraid also, once you get stronger at them from a body weight perspective, to start adding weight and doing weighted dips as well for more gains. Okay, so enjoy dips, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, because I'll have lots of handy tip videos like this. And also, if you're interested in my coaching, then I've got some coaching spots available right now heading into the new year. It's a really good time to start your transformation and start training to improve your pectus excavatum now. So if you're interested, go click the link in the description or go to my website, fixpectus.com, and read more about my coaching and then apply.